quilting for a bit and you're looking for something new to try, want to learn some new techniques, then this paper piece project might be perfect for you. The design is by Jacqueline de Jonge, and she has come up with her introductory kit. And so that will be available for purchase with the class. And in the kit, it has all the fabrics that you need to make this little sample. And it's just a little wall hanging, or you could use it as a pillow topper, or sorry, a pillow or a table topper. It's quite cute. And in here, we're going to learn all of Jacqueline's techniques. And then once you've learned her techniques, the sky is the limit. She has some beautiful quilts that she makes that are just amazing. They always seem to win first place in prizes. And she has rainbow quilts, or she's starting to come out with different techniques of quilts that are using more sedate colored fabrics in them. And they're beautiful. And the other thing I wanted to mention is that when you're done this kit, I have actually a fair amount of leftover fabrics. So I'm going to make a bunch more stars, and I'm going to use those in a table topper, or maybe I'll make some more throw pillows or something. But once you get started, you can become addicted to this. I hope you join me in my class.